Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix JBL Charge 5. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now for some reason, if your Charge 5 isn't operating or playing as it used to, then what you can do is simply first connect your JBL Charge 5 to a power source. Now once that's connected, the next thing that you need to do is press the home power button and the play button simultaneously, and once you do that, you'll be seeing the light blink. And once you do that, all you gotta do now is just wait for a while, and that's basically how you can reset your JBL Charge 5, which will fix any of the issues that you are facing. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.